Unlock the power of cutting-edge artificial intelligence by diving into the world of Deepseek's open-source models, designed to empower your next big project. Our journey today begins with accessing these remarkable models. Head over to the official Deepseek AI repository, where you'll find comprehensive documentation and links to download the model weights. Think of this as your gateway to a powerful suite of AI tools. The first crucial step is downloading the chosen Deepseek model. This process will involve retrieving large files, so ensure you have a stable internet connection and sufficient storage space on your system. The repository will guide you through selecting the specific model version that best suits your needs and resources. Once the download is complete, you'll need to set up your environment. This typically involves installing necessary software libraries and dependencies. The Deepseek documentation will provide a clear, step-by-step guide on what packages to install and how to configure them for optimal performance. Now for the exciting part, integrating Deepseek into your projects. This often involves utilizing provided API interfaces or specific libraries that simplify interaction with the model. You'll be able to feed data into the model and receive intelligent outputs, opening up a world of possibilities. Think about the applications: enhanced natural language processing, sophisticated text generation, or even creative AI art. Deepseek's open source nature means you can customize it further, fine-tuning the model to excel in your specific domain and contributing to a vibrant, collaborative AI community. By following these steps, you're not just using an AI model. You're becoming part of a movement that democratizes advanced AI technology. Explore, experiment, and innovate with Deepseek.